Hello students, see today we are going to see the reading part of your lesson number 16 from your textbook, page number 98, Means of Transport. Imagine the life of early humans. In ancient times there were no means of transport. Earlier human traveled on foot. They either walked on travel or traveled on the back of animals. However, with the invention of wheel, their life became easier. Humans then traveled on bullock carts and horse cart. From simple logs to the modern vehicles, humans have worked hard to make their life comfortable. Now vehicles carry goods and people from one place to another. Some means of transport like two-wheelers or buses are used to carry people and goods over short distance. Trains and aircrafts carry people and goods to far off places. Aircrafts are the fastest and also the most expensive mode of transport. Ships are used to carry very heavy goods. Traveling by ship is the cheapest, but it takes a lot of time. Means of transport. There are three kinds of transport: land, water, air. The kind of transport we choose depends on the distance traveled, the money we have to have, and the time available. India has a well developed system of roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. Road transport. Roads. India has one of the largest network of road in the world. Some means of transport move on the land only. Trains, buses, tractors, cars, trucks, scooters, tangas, and cars are all means of road transport. It is a common and convenient means of transportation for people and goods. See the page number 99 from your textbook. National highways are big and wide roads that connect cities, states, capital towns, and ports. They are built by the central government. State highways connect village to towns and even cities and are maintained by the state government. Roads can be metal, unmetal, or kacha roads. Metal roads are also called pakka roads, are made of coal, cement, and tar. Metal roads are ideal for heavy vehicles like buses, tankers, or even cars. Unmetal roads are found in villages and small towns. Good roads are very important for the growth of any country. Good roads are crucial for reaching out to people during crises like earthquakes, famines, floods, and so on. This allows quick transport of food and other necessary items as well as rescue operations. Railways. Our country is very well connected by the railways. It is the fastest mode of transport on land. In fact, India has the fourth largest railway network in the world. Most of the towns, villages, and cities are connected by railway. Earlier, trains were run by steam engine. Now, diesel and electric engines have replaced the steam engines, which have increased their speed manifold. Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express run at the speed of 140 km per hour. Metro trains are common in Kolkata and Delhi. Now Jaipur, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Kochi have begun the constructions for metro service or are already operating them. In order to make life comfortable for the people, metro runs on the both underground as well as elevated tracks. Mumbai is famous for its suburban trains. Its dense network effectively connect the whole city. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. India has a large network of airways and most of the cities are well connected by the air transport. Air transport takes people and goods to the distant places. Fruit, vegetables, and mails are transported to islands and other far off places by airways. Helicopter plays an important role in search and rescue operations. They can easily reach difficult areas and also do not require a lot of landing space. They are also used for dropping foods and medicines packet in floods hits areas or during other. Now see the page number 100 from your textbook. Natural disasters like famine and earthquakes. In India, we have many government and private airlines that transport both people and goods. Air India is the official airline of our country. Private airlines like Indigo and SpiceJet are regarded as the cheaper airlines. Water transport is the lowest and the cheapest means of transport. Ships, boats and steamers are used for transportation over water. Waterways are used for transporting bulky and heavy goods. Passengers ships carry people and cargo ship transport goods. Oil tankers are used for carrying oil and petroleum across the sea. Nowadays goods are shipped in containers that ensure safety of the cargo. In India, small luxurious ships also carry passengers and cargo from Mumbai to Goa, Kochi to Lakshadweep and Kolkata or Chennai to the Andaman Islands. In India, there are 12 major ports and 187 minor ports. Mumbai is the oldest and the most important port.